Determine the direction in which a straight line should be drawn, passing through the point -1, 2, so that the point where it intersects the line x plus y equals to 4 is going to be exactly 3 units away from -1, 2. Okay, let us begin. So first what we'll do, we'll try to understand the problem graphically. So here we have the line L, which is going to pass through the point A with the coordinates -1, 2. Now this particular line is also going to intersect another line x plus y equals to 4 at the point B, such that the distance between the points A and B, that's 3 units. So our goal will be to determine the direction of the line L. In other words, we need to find out the angle at which the line L is inclined to the positive direction of x-axis. To begin with, let us consider that the line L makes an angle of alpha. So it makes an angle of alpha with the positive direction of x-axis. With the positive direction of x-axis. Then what we can do here is apply the distance form of a line, because the line clearly passes through 2 points A and B. Let us suppose for simplicity that the point B has the coordinates x, y. So when we apply the distance form, we have the difference of the x coordinates, so we have x minus -1 divided by cosine of the angle alpha. That is going to be equals to difference of the y coordinates, so we need y minus 2 divided by sine of the angle alpha. And that is going to be equals to the distance between the 2 points A and B, so that is 3 units, which means that we can express x plus 1 over cosine of angle alpha as equals to 3, and also y minus 2 over sine of angle alpha as equals to 3 as well. That means x is going to be equals to -1 added to 3 cosine alpha, and y is going to be equals to 2 added to 3 sine of angle alpha. So what we have done here is we have taken the coordinates of point B, x and y, and we have converted it into a parametric form. So we can say that the coordinates of B are going to be, we have -1 plus 3 cosine alpha, and coordinates of y, that's 2 plus 3 sine alpha. Now clearly this particular point B is also going to lie on the line x plus y equals to 4. So it must satisfy the equation of the line. So here we can say since the point B lie on the line with the equation x plus y equals to 4, so that means we should get, in place of x, we're going to replace it with -1 plus 3 cosine alpha added to y. So y is 2 plus 3 times sine alpha, and this is going to be equals to 4. That's further simplified, so we get 3 times cosine of angle alpha plus sine of angle alpha, so that is going to be equals to, so we have -1 plus 2, that's going to be +1. So when we transpose it to the right hand side and subtract it from 4, that's going to leave us with 3. Now what we have here is cosine of alpha plus sine of alpha, that is going to be equals to 1. Let's square both sides. Squaring both sides gives us cosine squared alpha plus sine squared alpha added to 2 times cosine of angle alpha times sine of angle alpha equals to 1. Now cosine squared alpha plus sine squared alpha, that's a standard identity, equals to 1. And 2 cosine of alpha times sine of alpha, that is also an identity, which is sine of 2 alpha, that's equals to 1. And now we have finally sine of 2 alpha equals to 0, which means that 2 alpha, so that can be either equals to 0, or it could be equals to pi, or it could be equals to 2 pi. This simply means that the line L, which we consider passing through the point -1, 2, is parallel to this is a line that is parallel to the x-axis. Right, so we have obtained the direction of the line L.